there, I'm orange, juicy, and full of vitamin C. I keep you from getting sick and make the best juice. Hi, I'm mango, sweet, golden, and known as the king of fruits. You'll love my tropical taste. Guess what? I'm watermelon, the biggest of them all. I'm super juicy and perfect for hot days.
This type of fruit animation channel on YouTube bring in plenty views and subscribers. As you can see, this one has over 3.2 million subscribers and has views on one video as high as over 230 million views. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this type of video so that you can go ahead and create your own channel and make more money. So the first thing you need to do is head to ChatGPT and ask it to kindly provide you a list of fruits and to go ahead and do so. Next, you are going to ask ChatGPT to create a short lesson where these fruits are introducing themselves. ChatGPT will go ahead and do so. And for the third one, you are going to ask ChatGPT to help you provide a prompt to generate the images for each of these fruits. Next, I'm going to head over to Google and type in design or Zine to help us to convert our text to images. So I'm just going to register, then click on create if this is your first time, and then click on AItools, then click on text to images. Now I'm going to choose my aspect ratio, which is 16:19. Then I'll go ahead and bring in the prompt for apple. I'm just going to go back to ChatGPT and copy it, paste it in design, then click on generate and wait for it to generate. So I'm going to click on this second one and then download it. Next, I'm going to head over back to ChatGPT, bring the prompt for orange, copy it, paste it in design, then go ahead and make some adjustment, then click on generate and also wait for it to generate. Then I'm going to download this second orange because I like it better. Pick the prompt for pineapple, paste it in the text box for design, then make some adjustments to the text, then hit generate, then wait for my apple to generate. I like the first one, so I'm just going to download the first one, then head back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for watermelon, paste it, make some adjustments on the text, then go ahead and click on generate. When I'm done, so it is generating my watermelon. Now I think I prefer the second one, so I'm just going to download it, go back to ChatGPT, pick the prompt for strawberry, paste it in the text box in design, then remove some text, then click on generate. I think I prefer the first one, so I'm going to download the first strawberry. Then I'm going to go and pick the text for mango, then return back to design to paste it in the text box. Make some adjustments as usual, then click on generate. Then I think I prefer the mango, the first mango. I'm going to download it. Now, having done this, the next step is to head to Google and type in 11 Labs. This we are going to use for our text to audio. Then register if this is your first time, then click on text to speech. Then head over to ChatGPT and copy the introduction for those fruits, the prompt for the introduction for those fruits it's generated for us. So I'm just going to copy for apple and head over back to 11 Labs. Head over back to 11 Labs and paste it. Choose my voice. I prefer Mimi because it's an animation voice. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on generate speech. Then I'm going to click on the download button at the bottom right to download it. And I'll give you a hot tip. Head to your computer and change the name of the speech you just downloaded to Apple. This is so that I can differentiate all of my speeches. So I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and copy the next speech, which is orange. I'm going to click on generate and then download it. Then go back to my computer and then change the name to Orange 11 Labs. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT now, copy the text for pineapple, and then paste it in 11 Lab. Click on generate speech, then download it. Go to my computer and change the name of the speech from 11 Lab to pineapple so that I can recognize it easily. Now, in order to save time, I'm going to fast forward the remaining part for 11 Lab. Next, I'm going to head to Google and type in Pixvax AI. It's an AI tool that turns images into video. So I'm going to click on create, then register if this is your first time. Then click on image and text to bring in the images you generated from design. I'm going to bring in this first apple. Then next, I'm going to type in a happy apple talking to a boy and girl. Then play with all the settings if you like to change the time or duration or any other setting that tickles your fancy. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on create. Now you can see it is preparing my video. Now it has generated my video, and I have a girl. I'm not sure if I have a boy. I'm not sure if that's a girl, but I'm just going to go ahead and download. If you are not satisfied, you can regenerate. Next, I'm going to bring the image for orange. Then I'm going to ask it to generate a happy orange. You can ask it to do anything so long as you type it down for it. So I'm just going to type in orange. Next, I'm going to click on create, then to go ahead and generate my orange. You can see a boy and a girl here, and this is amazing. Next, I'm going to hit on the download button to download it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on the image button and bring my pineapple. So I'm just going to go ahead and ask it to, I'm going to type a happy pineapple talking to a boy and a girl. Oops, I made a mistake with the girl, so it's just going to generate only the boy. I'm going to choose my duration, then hit create. You can see the girl, I spelled it wrongly, so it's just going to generate only the boy, but it's okay. I like it, it's beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit the download button to download it. Next, I'm going to go to click on the image icon and bring in the next fruit, which is watermelon. Then I'm going to ask it to generate a happy watermelon talking to a boy and a girl. Then I'm going to hit create, and it's just going to go ahead and generate a watermelon talking to a boy and a girl. You can see this is beautiful and actually like it, and I'm just going to go ahead and download it because I like it. And I'm going to go ahead and bring in the next fruit, which is strawberry. So I'm just going to change the watermelon to strawberry. I'm going to ask it to generate a happy strawberry talking to a boy and a girl. Then I'm going to hit the create button, and now you can see it's generating my video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are still watching. Now I have a happy strawberry talking to a boy and a girl, and this is beautiful. So I'll go ahead and click the download button again and then download it. Click on the image icon once again and then bring in the next fruit, which is mango. I like this tall mango. It looks beautiful and tall, so I'm just going to choose this tall mango, and then I'm going to go ahead and ask Pixvax AI to generate a happy mango with a boy and a girl. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on the create button and watch it generate my mango for me. You can see this is beautiful and I actually like it. If you don't like your videos, you can regenerate again. I'm going to hit the download button. Finally, I'm going to head over to CapCut to put together my video. First, I'm going to bring in all my speeches from 11 Lab. So I'm just going to bring them in. Then I'm going to bring the last one, which is watermelon, I think, and strawberry. So next, I'm going to click on import again to bring in my videos from Pixvax. Haven't done that. The first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to look for Apple, and then I'm going to drag it to the timeline like this. Then I'm going to bring in the speech for Apple. You can see I labeled it or named it like I advised earlier, so it is easy to locate which speech is which. Now, because the speech is still that of Apple, so I'm going to bring in more Apple videos, then adjust it. I'm done with the Apple speech, so the next one is orange. I'm going to drag and drop the orange video on the timeline, then bring in the speech to and drop it on the timeline. Drag in the orange video again to fill in the space for the speech. Then I'm going to go ahead and bring in the next one, which is the pineapple. Then bring the speech for the pineapple to the timeline. Then drag in the video for the pineapple again. Fill in the space for the speech. Next, I'm going to bring more pineapple and then adjust it till the speech has ended. Then I'm going to go ahead and bring in the next video, which is strawberry, to the timeline. Then I'm going to bring the speech for strawberry to the timeline. Obviously there's still space for more video because speech for the strawberry is long, so I'm going to bring in the same video again and then bring in the same video a third time and then adjust it so that it takes all the space for the speech. Next, I'm going to go ahead and drag in the mango video, then bring in the speech for the mango video. Because there's still more space for the speech, I'm going to drag in the mango video again and then adjust it till it's the same length with the speech. I'm going to drag and drop the video for the watermelon, then I'm going to bring the speech for the watermelon to the timeline. Because there's still space for the speech, I'm just going to bring in the video for the watermelon a second time, then I'm going to adjust it till it's the same length with the length of the speech of the watermelon. Now I'm going to reduce the length of my video, then I'm going to go ahead and click on transition. And you can decide which transition to use. I think I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to use this transition throughout this video. I'm just going to go ahead and do it real quick. If you are still watching, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, like, and also share. Thank you. So I'm going to keep on putting transition to this video and you can see how it is panning out. So now I think I'm done with the transition. I'm just going to go ahead and play what I have done from the beginning so you can see the transition is actually in effect. So I haven't done this transition. I'm going to go ahead and caption this video. So I'm going to click on caption at the top and click on generate caption and wait for it to generate my caption for this video. Okay, so once it's done generating, I'm going to go to the right hand side and reduce the size of the fonts, and you can also change the color of your caption. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on templates. Now I have reduced the size of my caption, then I'm going to click on template and click on this first one. Now you can see that it has changed it to this first template and it is nice. So I'm just going to go right ahead and click on effect, click on this first effect, and you see it is better now. Next, I'm going to go back to basic, then reduce the font size because I don't want it to take much space on the screen. Finally, I'm going to go ahead and click on the export button, then make sure it is exporting to my download on my computer, then click on export. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.